Good afternoon, teachers. I hope everybody is having a great start to their work week and that you had a wonderful weekend. Although I know that it was probably spent working on your Isnt paper, which is due this evening. I'm going to go over this week's agenda. Learning targets at the top, overview of the readings. Obviously, we didn't have any readings last week because we were working on our Isnt paper, but you did have readings the week before, and that is what overview is. It's over the readings from the GLSEN report about LGBTQ plus students in their classrooms and schools. Next item is our readings for this week, which are from Duncan and Murnane, the Restoring Opportunity book. And you can find these chapters at the top of Moodle in that folder. If you're an elementary school teacher, I'd like you to read chapter 6, elementary schools that work. And if you are a high school teacher, I would like for you to read chapter 7. That is high schools that improve life chances. If you're a middle school, pick one or the other to read. Also would like for you to read an article about the characteristics of teachers as change agents. And I have a prompt here that I would like for you to answer as it relates to that article. Please do that by Saturday. Respond to 3 of your classmates by Monday, just as we've done this entire semester. Next item, course evaluations. It's that time of the semester. Hopeful you've had a good experience. I've had the pleasure of hearing from several of you about your experience this semester and appreciate it. And I'd like to thank all of you in advance for taking the time to just complete the survey, good, bad, or ugly, just to provide feedback. Thank you. Final item, Isnt paper presentation. And just a quick note on the Isnt paper. It will take me until the end of the semester to get the Isnt papers done. I apologize for that, but I've got papers rolling in. Teaching 5 classes this semester. I've got papers rolling in from my other classes also. So it will be the end of the semester before I get those all graded. What I'd like you to work on is also to work on your Isnt paper presentation. In the past, this class was face-to-face. Students would present in class. Obviously, we've gone online now. I'd like for you to create a 1-page summary of your Isnt paper. You're going to attach that on the Google document that I have here. And then using Google Slides or PowerPoint or some other presentation tool, create a presentation with a voiceover of your Isnt paper. And then load a link to that, or place a link to that on the Google document as well. Final item is just our summary of this week's work. And just in closing, I would just like to say that I hope you have a great work week. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Again, take care, and I will talk to you next week.